Hello, this is your January kit, and I kind of spaced everything out using my painter's tape. I'm going to take this heart and put it here, and then the medium-sized heart and put it here. I'm going to start by using my snow owl, and I loaded my dabber, and then I unloaded it, either use cardboard or a paper plate. So I'm going to start by hitting the XO in the snow owl, or my white. Then I'm gonna hit this ribbon of hearts across and cover the whole thing. For me, it's just a little bit easier. And I'm doing this pouncing motion because this is what's just keeping everything nice and clean and neat, and it's giving me coverage. If I swiped, you're gonna get paint all in the grooves and crevices, and you're not gonna get that coverage you're looking for. The last thing, I'm going to paint this entire heart white, even though we're gonna go every other with a color. Again, it's just easier for me if I just do everything white. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Republic Red. I'm gonna make a mixture of Republic Red and white, which is gonna create a pink. And I'm gonna hit these hearts. Go around this outside edge. You can either use the same pink. I'm gonna add a little bit more Republic Red. Here, I'll show you what I'm doing here. This is a little bit of a mess, but this was my pink mixture. I'm gonna add a little bit more Republic Red to make it a little deeper of a tone. I'm gonna just change up the tone just a bit by adding a little bit more red. Kind of almost looking for like a maroon color to that. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the pink and fill in the small heart here. I'm going to add black to the medium-sized heart. I'm just going to paint the arrow. Ignore the pink part of the heart that needs to be fixed. And then we're going to put a second heart on top of this piece. And I'm going to also paint down the stem. I'm going to paint the pot black. Then I'm going to glue these two pieces together. And then I'm going to paint this black and this. Then I'm going to take an art brush. You can put painter's tape on either side of these lines. I'm just going to eyeball it You have the lines there, the scoring to stay within. I just run my brush down each edge. Again, use painter's tape if you don't have an eye to stay in there. Now I'm going to take this open heart and I'm going to paint it in the Republic Red. Once everything's dry, I'm going to take some glue on the back of the open heart and I'm going to glue it down on top of the heart where you have the arrow going through. Now, I did go ahead and glue my pot to the stand. At the bottom, you just want to put glue on either side of that bottom portion of the pot and stick it into the stand. And then I took a small sponge from the Dollar Tree and created these polka dots. That's really optional. And I used the snow owl. And then I'm going to glue the rim of my pot on. You could add your stand towards the end. I did do it kind of first. Whatever's easier. And then I'm going to glue my ribbon by adding glue to the first and the last heart and then putting that on the rim of the pot. Then I'm going to glue the black heart into the center of the Republic Red heart with the scalloped edge. And then I'm going to take these small pink hearts and glue them on to the white hearts that are on the ribbon, on the rim of the pot. And I just did a dot of glue in each heart. I grabbed these clamps from the Dollar Tree. They're handy to have on if you're waiting for pieces to dry. And then I took my pink heart and glued it into the center of my striped heart. I glued the XOXO onto the cutout heart by just putting a little bit of glue on either side. So the X, the first X and the last O is just gripping that edge. Then I'm going to run some glue down my post here, and I'm going to start with the larger one at the bottom and glue that down to the post, and then do the second one just above that between the first and the last heart. Now, I decided to do my lines at the end. You could do this first before gluing on your hearts. I did put a little platform underneath, so it made it easier. And I'm just taking this white marker from the Dollar Tree and I'm doing stitching around the black heart. And they're just these short little lines with a space between. And then I did broken lines on the pink heart. Some of the lines I put a little jag in it and some dots. There's no right or wrong. You can copy mine or create your own. And then I did the stitching also on the striped heart by putting the white stitching in the black stripes and then grabbing a black Sharpie marker for the black stitching in the white area. So it kind of alternates. All these details are optional. Then I took my white marker and I just made these little curves in each of the scalloped edge. And I went all the way around. And then I did 2 lines in each of the pink hearts at the bottom. And then I did some lines around the open heart at the top. These are just broken lines. And then I did lines on my arrow. I went on the tip of the arrow. And then on the tail of the arrow. And this is just adding interest to my project. And then I did outline my pot at the bottom with some broken lines and dots. Then I'm going to take a black marker and just make some broken lines in the XOXO, just so that you can see the letters. I think this came out really cute. Thank you so much for your purchase, and we'll see you next month.